Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Epigamia yogurt at home, updated. Gather full-fat milk, a reliable starter culture, a thermometer and clean jars, and sanitize everything first. Start by heating milk to the correct temperature, cool it to the culture range, stir in the starter gently, and incubate undisturbed until set. I will guide you through timing, texture checks, and common tweaks to get that commercial-style creaminess at home. I will explain the exact ingredients and tools you need for consistent results. Pick whole milk for richness and either a live yogurt or powdered starter culture for dependable fermentation. A digital thermometer prevents overheating, and a heavy-bottomed pot ensures even heating. Glass jars are best for portioning, and an incubator or warm oven creates a stable environment. I will also explain optional thickeners and flavoring tips for a custom texture. I will explain the step-by-step process to make thick, tangy yogurt at home. Heat milk to about 85 degrees C to improve body, then cool it to roughly 43 degrees C before mixing in your starter. Stir gently to avoid introducing air, then transfer to jars and incubate undisturbed in a warm, stable spot for 6 to 10 hours until set. After incubation, chill to firm up texture and enjoy or store properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.